This is our room, my friend. And then, I need to go bathroom before I sleep. Ba't di mo sinabi, Brad? Ano bang gagawin natin? Ngilamos lang ba? Dito. Okay, magsisiyar tayo. Yo, what? Isa pa. Yo, nakadiri. So guys, welcome back sa bagong video. At ngayon ay maglalaro tayo ng game na tinatawag na Greg's Hotel. Alam ko matagal na to. Yes. And ngayon pagtitripan lang naman natin si tropa mong Greg. Ay hindi ko lang na start na pala yun. Hello Greg. Oh hello there. Welcome to Greg's Hotel. How can I help you? Hi. Can I get a room for 5 nights please? Sure. We have an empty room on the second floor. Okay, second floor. Gonna go here now. So, tandaan. Dito. Hey, a nice design bro. Grabe tong hotel mo, Shrek ah. Ito ba? Ito ba yung ano ko? Dito. Oh, this is my room. Wait. May another rooms pa dito eh. Oh, we have a vending machine. Ako na some Pepsi. Na. Pepsi. Sir, Pepsi. Sir. This is our room, my friend. And then, I need to go bathroom before I sleep. Ba't di mo sinabi, Brad? Na kailangan mo magligo bago matulog. Excuse me, where's the bathroom? First door on your left side. Okay, thank you, Greg. Ano bang gagawin natin? Ngilamos lang ba? Dito. Okay, magsisiyar tayo. Yo, what? Isa pa. Yo, nakadiri. Yo, what a nice man. Hey, ikaw ba to? Tanong ko lang, ikaw ba to? Huh? So before you sleep daw, tulog na. Hello Greg, good afternoon. Galing ako sa work and hello, welcome back. If you don't mind me asking, so just hard work on the new job and I have got. So there is not a lot left by my new house. Nice. By the way, I have some cleaning stuff that I don't have time for myself. Do what you like. That sounds like a good deal. Nice. Can you see the boxes? So okay, alam ko makikitira lang tayo dito ng 5 days pero bakit tayo naging katulong?
Emotional damage!
Okay, I'm gonna get this box upstairs. Dadalhin lang ba talaga? Or may something kang tinatago? Okay, dito ba? Okay. Wow. Wag mong sasabihin may kukunin dito tayo mamaya. Yan sa akin, boy! Be ready yourself, Greg. I will kill you later. Kumanda ka sa akin. Daling ko lang to sa taas. Ito 3 box to. I said, take the box upstairs. So, ito na nga eh. Ito naman, tatanong lang eh kung pwede lang. Oh, well done. Go and sleep now. I'll feel tomorrow. Good night. Okay, thank you very much. Nagkasahod tayo. Ay, na naman. Another... My God. Teka, gano'n ba talaga umebak, pre? Grabe ba? Lagyan siya nakagano, no? Matutulog na daw tayo sa night 2. Okay. Wow. Medyo kinilabutan ako doon. Welcome back! How was your sleep last night? Not good. I had a nightmare last night. Yes, he said not good because yung nightmare niya is ikaw. Grabing nightmare yan, Diyos ko. I'm very sorry to hear that. I hope you are okay. Not because I have a new job for you tonight. I will take care of the broom. I want you to take the broom from the room what the box says yesterday. And you start cleaning the bathroom floor with... Ala ko naman, upahan lang tayo. Magalinis daw tayo ng bathroom. Oh, tara, linisin natin. Ano ba lilinisin ko dito? Oh, kung kadto siguro kadali maglinis, siguro yung bahay namin, simkinta mo na sa salamin, pre.
Ina mo, walang ganon.
Daddy, chill.
Oh, where is he? Susi! Para saan ang susi? Dito ba? Hey, what's this? Oh, wait na.
A few inches later.
It's too late, but... Oh, late na ba? Pwede natin patayin si Shrek ng date pa lang dapat. So, ibig sabihin, pala, kumuha na ako kanina. Okay? Hey, yo! What happened, man? Yo! Ay, kinamutak mo! Inano yun? Tanga na kinalibutan ako. Namas ka. Hello? Oh, it's midnight, sir. Why are you still awake? I just had a nightmare again. By the way, where were you? You were gone after I cleaned. What? I'm sorry, I had to go to do something. And I have to check the toilet. It was very clean. Thank you. Go and sleep now. Okay, pero pa tayo isang room na hindi napapasok, which is dito. Hindi ko siya mabuksan ah. Okay. You slept night 3? Let's go to night 4. Okay, bakit ganyan ang tingin mo sa akin? I am hoping na okay ka lang. Is everything okay? Yes, everything is okay. There's just a small issue with lights, which will be fixed soon. Alright then. Is there anything you want me to do for today? No, I mean yes. Are you scared, Claude? Okay. No, why are you asking? Couldn't take what? Okay. Bakit ganyan tingin mo sa akin? Okay, medyo hindi maganda tingin niya. Kunin ko na ulit yung walis. Oh. Seryoso ka? Linisin ko to? Gugawa nito eh. Kapag lilinisin mo. I should get help here. Talaga, kailangan na natin. Oh. Where are we, my man? Whoa. Let me go. Wait, what we can let you collect 40 onions for you? Wait, ang isang minuto kulang yun sa 40. Gagi. Wait. Dali. Wait. Wait lang. Shrek, ang dami naman ito. One minute is not enough for me, man. Oh. 19 pa. Okay. Oh my God. 12 pa. Nasaan siya? Ayun na siya! Habulin mo ako, men. Wait lang. Sigurado ka? Isang minuto lang? Sakit sa tenga nun, ha? Okay. Seryoso na to. 40, ha? Wait a minute. Ay, gagi. Bumalik tayo. So, kailangan natin pumunta dito agad. Okay. Ayan na siya. Makahabol na siya. Eleven. Last. Oh. Kunti na lang. Okay. Patay. Kailangan siya pahabulin dito. Gagi! Takbo, Ben! Last 7, Ben! Six. 5. 4. 3. 2. Nasaan yung isa? Oh no. Eh, gago ka dito. Nasaan yung isa, men? Oh. Grabe yung kabog na dibdib ko. So yun, natapos natin ang game na to. So this game took 270 hours to make. Okay. So okay, i-open lang natin ulit. And sabi kasi doon is day 2 pa lang. Pwede natin siya parang patayin. Wait lang. Ititingnan natin kung ano meron. Let's go. So liligo. So balik tayo sa baba. Yes. What's disgusting, my man. Tulog na ako, ha. Tulog na. Ito na. Putin natin itong box for him. So, paa. Yeah! Grex, nakikita mo to. Grex, did you see this? What am I holding? Tama to? Gagi, lumubog siya. And yun na yun. Pwede na tayo lumabas? Wow, dapat pala, kanina ko pa ginawa. Ano guys, yung video guys sa araw to. So, sana naman kayo na-enjoy nyo. So, kung gusto nyo ng 5 nights at Grex Hotel 2, ay mag-request na ka dyan sa baba. Panorin natin, why not naman, no? So, and leave a like and share, subscribe. Kung hindi ka nag-subscribe dyan at di mo pa nakikilike, click mo muna. Tsaka yung bell button dyan. Yun na.